Hello, greetings from Sivas, Turkey. You'll learn how to use quotation. Today it is very cold here, in Sivas, but it is hot enough in the classroom to go on with our lesson. Let's start then. Use quotation marks around a direct quotation. A direct quotation includes the exact word spoken or written by someone. Place periods and commas inside the closing quotation marks as you can see in this example. Notice that the comma comes before the closing quotation marks. If, he said, comes first, then use a comma after it, just before the opening quotation marks. Now have a look at this example. Where do we put the comma and full stop in the sentence? Well, we place the comma before the quotation, and the full stop at the end of the sentence, within the quotation. Be careful, the period. In other words, the full stop is within the quotation mark. If you start with a quotation, then you should separate it from the sentence by using a comma. In this example, before said, you can also start with the person's name whom you quote. That is, you write the person who said the quoted sentence, and put a comma before the quotation marks. Let's give another example. In this example, we have comma before the quotation marks. Moreover, notice that the exclamation mark is within the quotation marks. How many commas are there in this sentence?
We have 2 commas. The second comma is used to separate the subordinate clause. In other words, if clause, from the main clause.
Thank you very much. What have you learned so far?
We learned that we should use a comma to set off quoted language.
Yes, you are right. Thanks. I am very happy. We can also divide the quotation into 2 parts. We put a comma at the end of the first and before the second as in the example. Finally, we use a period at the end of the second. Please, don't capitalize the first letter of the second part of the quotation. In this example, don't capitalize B.